So, hello everybody, we're in task 1 for sniffing and then spoofing. We're still in the packet sniffing and then spoofing lab. We thank a lot the Seed Labs for giving us such good material, and also this is just for educational purpose. Okay, now sniffing and spoofing. Here he wants to taking a packet and responding back to it. There's two options: he exists or does not exist. There's also two specific types we need to make sure we know them. There's in the line and there's outside of the line. Now, to implement this, what did we decide to do? We have this code here. What does it do? There is two, like I said, there's two options, ARP or ICMP. ARP is used here to know what's the MAC address of someone. Like if he does not exist and this is our first time pinging him, like 25 should not exist here, or 36 should not exist because the first machine, I have already run it, sorry. The first machine is 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So if we, like this, use it, before that, what's going to happen? If we run it, I want shark on our, should not be this one. I really don't know how to change it. It's just this. Close it and reopen it because I don't know how to stop it. Okay. So here we are starting our listening, and it's buying like 36. Should be here one time. C1 is for one time. Do it again to make sure we have good. 36 should be marked, sorry. 41. Here, like you see, what happened? He is asking first. Sorry, this one is not for us. These three ones are not meant for us. We are here. It starts from here. I should give you a good one, sorry, just to make sure you have good. This is because we are already marking the ARP cache table, so we should ping someone else like 48. We seen here, it's a good one. Okay, here what happens first, because he did not exist, like if we do this ARP minus n, this is the ARP cache. 46, 48 did not exist before. So what did happen here? We are just responding. When we respond to his ARP resolver or ARP request, is trying to make like corresponding IP with the MAC address, because in the LAN we talk with the MAC address. Okay, so what he do, he asks broadcast who has certain IP. My name is this is address, and we can see his MAC address, and the destination is broadcast FFFF. Okay, we are spoofing the response because our machine not responds in reality because it has not the specific IP address. We are responding with our MAC address as a source, and also make sure you note that we need to specify the ether because we are going to use the RP, and here in the ether we are going to specify the destination, because if we don't specify the destination and try to use send, what will happen? It will generate the ether by default, like he is trying to resolve who has a certain MAC address. Like if we get IP, he will try to find it. This happens when we don't put the destination in the Ethernet header, okay? Because destination by default is FFFF and he needs destination of the IP. Okay, here also we need to talk about this. The operation 1 is for request in ARP, and the option 2 is for the reply. Note also this one. Why did we do it? Because Scapy, when he sends a packet ARP reply, we are re-sniffing it another time. You see? So after that, what happens? Our machine destination, we are targeting it. It will make 48 even if it does not exist in RP table with our MAC. Next time when we ping, what happened? It pinged it to us. Look here, if we open it and see to whom he's sending, look, 8AE7, he's sending that to us, so it works fine, and we are replying to him with our MAC address without specifying it. We need to do that, and I think this is it for this task. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Let's see us another time.